Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with a quick lesson that how we can embed our PDF file in a Word lesson. My today lecture will be very useful for teachers who are creating lessons and they can set up lessons into their Word by just two steps. So here on my screen, if you can see, I've opened a lesson from education.com and that is beginning blends number 1. So I've opened it here, beginning blends, and I have downloaded it to my desktop already just to show you. So here, if I want to get this lesson into a Word document and I want to edit this lesson into a Word document, I will show you the way how we can do it in two simple steps. So I've opened here, I've downloaded Adobe free version and it's just opening this image beginning blends on my laptop, and if I want to open this into a Word document so that I can edit it and create a lesson one by one page. So let's open Word blank document and then come back to Adobe free version. So first we have to right click on this page and we have to go to take a snapshot. We have to go to take a snapshot. After going to take a snapshot, we can click on here, and once we click, response means the selected area has been copied. I hit OK and let's go to Word. In the Word document, let's paste it. I am pressing Ctrl V. Paste this blessing blend here. So now we have that PDF lesson into our Word document. So you can also paste this image here by right clicking and going to paste here. So I did it by Control V and I also did it by GUI interface pasting so that that will be easier for you to understand. So for example, if we have more than one pages and we have to add a lesson here. So let's see how can we do that. I have to find out if we have more than one pages. Okay, here is my CV, right? And if I want to select, it's more than one page. So if I want to select it all here and I want this into my Word document, I can take a snapshot and then after that I can select both of the pages one by one. So let me do that. Okay, copy and okay, Control V. Okay, this is the next part of my CV. This is just to explain you. If you want to do more than one pages, we can do like this by taking a snapshot and by going to Word and pasting it. So now if you want to present to your students, right, more than one pages, you can do that and you can grab more than one pages from your PDF file to a Word document. That's it for today's lecture. Thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep subscribing, keep sharing. Bye.